Hi, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel Chef Tanya Rannaghar. Today I am making chicken chop. Let's start the process. Now add oil in a karai and add chopped onions. Now add green chilies, ginger garlic paste and cook until it turns brown. Add some water. Now I am adding few masala like salt, black pepper, amchur, garam masala, turmeric, fried masala into it. Now add chopped chicken and cook it in high flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, close the lid and cook it on low flame until chicken are fully cooked. Now our chicken is fully cooked. This stage I am adding mashed boiled potato. Chicken is ready now. Add sugar, black salt, mayonnaise, coriander leaves and turn off the heat and let it cool down. Take flour and add salt and black pepper in it and mix well. Beat the eggs with salt and black pepper. Now it's time for give shape with the prepared chicken mixture. Now coat them with flour and shake the excess flour. After the flour coating is done, dip it in the egg batter and coat them in breadcrumbs and repeat it. Prepare a kadhai for deep fry, add oil into it. Now fry the coated chicken into the oil and fry them until golden brown. Flip to other side when one side is done. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Your chicken chop is ready. Serve it with your choice of sauce or dips. See you again on next video. Till then, tata.